Oh, we picked up a 750?
Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with it. So the catch with it was, it came in, it said that it lost oil that he didn't know from where. Told us there was no oil in it. And so we checked it, and sure enough, there was like less than a quart that came out of it. So it may fire up and rod knock, we had no idea. So he didn't want to do a motor, and then come to find out, he moved and the car was stuck here, and he decided instead of dealing with either trying to part it out or sell it or find someone else to buy it, shop took over it because he's in a completely different state. We acquired a 7 Series with unknown damage.
The oil part is a little scary, but
yeah.
Hopefully it's not too bad. Oh, if he shut it off, we should be.
I mean, it's a V8, dude. I guarantee you that. I mean, there's copper in it and everything else. I know there's copper in it. I saw it in the oil filter. Yeah. So that's what we drained it, and we pulled the oil, and there was copper in it. Gotcha. And so it's like,
so we know it needs a motor.
Yeah.
Darn.
But I want to fire it.
Yeah. Just
I want to see where the leak's at, because I'm assuming it's gonna spray somewhere, and then yeah, I want to hear if it knocks or if it's a rebuild candidate or what the case is.
Gotcha.
We know from the X5 we can buy a new motor for $5 grand.
Not bad.
Brand new. So fingers crossed. That strut's cooked. Those intakes are I'm not even gonna call it intake. It's so bad. You see this?
What the?
Yeah. That's so.
Huh. That's a new one.
Yeah. So it's had downpipes. It's been tuned, obviously, from looking at it, and it's probably not been treated the best. So we're gonna see what it takes to figure it out. I'll go grab an oil filter out of the office.
Did you see this? Look at the speakers. Look at this.
What?
Yeah, buddy.
And
that's how we do around here.
What is that? Oh, to hold it in?
To hold it in.
Oh, God.
That's it.
Well, you see the intakes?
Yeah.
Is that?
It's
a dryer?
Yes, 100%. That's dryer hose. That's definitely dryer hose.
Oh my God. Hey, if it works, it works.
Still N63 though.
Yeah, probably comes equipped with rod knock too.
It's good, man.
Yeah, that's got downpipe. What the hell is that?
That's a door handle.
I mean, I see what it is, but
quick disconnect. I know. I was like, Matt, hey, can I have the sub back here? Because I didn't. It was like this, right? And then I turned around. I was like, I don't want it anymore. I was like, let me still see. We feel like that's good in there.
Yeah, cooked.
You can see it?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it might end up leaving a puddle underneath the car. I had no idea.
Put me in the air.
I gotta put you in the air, and then I need to put the transmission back in park from underneath.
I can't hear, so y'all just tell me when and what.
We got it back in park.
Yeah, we're gonna try it, I guess.
You want me to try it?
Well, if it rattles and bangs, I guess you know to shut it off.
Well, man, I was talking about for the oil leak, not the rod knot.
All right, go ahead.
Well, there is an oil leak.
I told you it's the side I thought. I bet you it's that line.
It didn't sound half bad.
No, it sounded good. Oh. We gotta find it.
She's puking though. I bet it ran with literally no oil.
That's gotta be that line that goes under that, like over by the oil filter. Let me take this off. And this shield is useless anyway. It's gone.
Is it just that hose right there?
I'm assuming it's the one that goes to the oil cooler.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
I mean, I see the hose. Here, let me get my flash.
Right here. See the rubber? Bet you it's that one.
Yeah. We'll fix that shit if I can.
James. Start it.
Oh, James is it? I don't know.
I saw a geyser shoot this way.
Oh, so it might be a hole in the block?
So no, there's a rubber hose right above this motor mount, and I bet it's that one.
Sounds solid though.
It does sound good.
It's got pressure and everything. Yeah.
It's got good oil pressure.
Fired right up.
It had a geyser. I'm trying to feel. I bet you it's a split, and I can't feel it. You get a mirror? Oh, there's a motor mount bolt missing.
That's okay. You don't need that.
You need those, right? I'm thinking it's this one. Trevor, come on this side. Cause you'll probably see a jet stream. I'm gonna have him hit it again. Yeah, go ahead and try to get fire. It was above it. There's a fitting there.
It's definitely a good little
Somewhere in there.
Yeah.
That was after he pulled into the gas station.
Yeah.
Yes, Logan is.
What?
He said, I really hope someone's turning a wheel.
Oh, James.
Yeah, James is up there.
It's like fucking good.
You did autopilot, did you?
Did it shot out from...
Alright, have them start it one more time. Yeah, I'll for sure tell you. This is it. Damn. See that black nose? See the little white thing?
I was gonna say the little disturb looking spot.
Yeah, the little Spider-Man looking thing?
Yeah.
For sure. You know,
It
'cause
looks like it.
that's the one right above it.
Yeah. And that's the right area. So we need to do... I mean, you gotta drop a subframe to do those anyway. Do that and a set of bearings. That's what it needs.
Well, you know, I would be able to tell you, but it literally shot the mirror immediately, so I have no clue.
So I would say yes, that's it.
As soon as we fired it, just...
Logan, you ready to pull another V8? Wait.
Oh, this bitch got a solo in it?
Yeah, let's go.
It got a solo in it?
Yeah, it's old school.
Shit, that's worth it right there, bro.
I know. Did you see how it was mounted?
I don't care.
No, look. Your Latin hoodways would appreciate to get it.
Yeah. Fuck it. It's still a solo. Hell yeah. What kind of shit amp is this?
No, just the tow hook was in it. That was it. What's in that box? Hopefully, real intake.
I know, right? What if it's like parts for the car? Transmission oil pan.
Really?
Yeah.
Hopefully, it's aluminum pan.
No,
Probably not.
Plastic.
Is it plastic? It's brand new though.
Yeah.
Fucking crazy. Been a while. Depending on if it's OEM or not. It needs it. Looked like it was leaking.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm telling you. You got your new
Bolts
daily?
went away.
You got your new daily?
I don't need a new daily.
Shit.
I need to sell like 4 cars, man.
We should fix it up and sell it.
I'm going
And then we can have barbecues on Friday. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Nice
This
ones.
thing's going away.
Yeah, this is going this is the barbecue fun.
Well, Trevor, we got some parts to order.
Mm-hmm. Next
But it-
video.
But it does run. Next video. We'll tear it apart.